Hayi bafethu, laqala ilembe bekumhla 15 ngo-8 ntambama. We saw new characters coming to the show. New storylines are developing. Hayi bafethu, kodwa kukona konke shockers that came to light actually when I saw the show. One, hoy bo, kabayi, wadavaza lapha. Ngibongele. Bekusazi ukuthi hayi bo, kwenzakalani kanti na uzoba nenhlanhla nini. Yo, hayi, that was nice. Two, and we saw new characters and new players on the show as well. And Bolile Zamani Bata came through. It's quite just to name the few. Yena, and a few guys about Ektego Zalo, Espazio, and then someone umtitila like it, like dude, Buffett, umtitila, you wanna be acting out. Qala shosibona umtitila wekhe I ngabona wena ke la amashwa ke madoda sinesifesayo sizoyithini lento le. But anyways, in overall, it was a good show. I think yonke into ihambelana nomlando ngendlela esiwazi ngayo nangendlela esifunde ngayo. So mina I'm okay. Like ngisharp. Kodwa lo mlisa odlala uShaka, hayi bamkhaste kahle. Mfana ngambona kusizini 1 uthi hayi yazini. Lo mfana lo uyayazi into yakhe bafethu. Lo mfana uyayazi into yakhe. Yabo ukuba nesihluku kuyadinga ukuthi futhi nakhona ube mubi. Angisho ukuthi mubi kodwa kuyadinga ukuthi ube mubi. So bayenze kahle. Hayi bayenze kahle impela bamfaka umfana lapho ngoba phela insizwa le ilembe ayikangayona insizwe elula. Ingakho yadlula emhlabeni at a very young age. At a very young age. I like the fact ukuthi bakhaste yena for the sake of iminyaka because ilembe lalincane bafethu uliphatha. Lalincane lingalinawa wona ukuthi wathola ubukhosi no 35. No, late teens. We understand him today, and then I think he ruled for like 11 or 12 years. So the show Lena is not going to go on for 12 years, obviously. It's going to be only 3 seasons. It's going to only cover izinto esignificant to umlando na yonke into enkulu esizwa ngayo. But in hayi bafethu, mnandi the show. Mnandi the show. It's very educationally. Unfortunately, asikwazi ukuthi siyibuke nezingane ngoba kwezinye izikhathi laphayana ngoba sokubona zovele kuvela umtsitsila ke manje ke uzobona qhasha indese ke osazi kwenzakalani bafethu asiqhubekeni sibuke